Good day. So today I'm gonna demonstrate the steps on how to install Windows Server. Select the language, time, and currency format and input method in this screen. Click Next to continue. Then click Install button to move to the next screen. Then enter the Windows 2008 product key in the next screen. Then click Next. Accept the license, then click Next. Then click the custom install. Then select drive partition 2. Then click Next. Then OK. Then click Next. Then atong-aton ko to mahuman ang iyang installation process. So once the installation is over, the computer will reboot to your new installation. So press any key to boot from USB. Then balik na po siya. Then change the administrator password after the reboot by clicking OK the button. So itong i-type ato ang username o gato ang password. Then click OK. Huwag na change na. So the Windows server is up and running. So man ni siya after adto. So after that, click begin install. Then na siya ma-pop up. Then press Ctrl at delete to sign in. Then enter your password. So after add to okay. So muna ni siya ang kuan. After the installation na install na ang ato ang Windows server na server manager.